Your home's exterior is the first impression it makes on guests, neighbors, and potential buyers. One of the most overlooked yet impactful ways to enhance curb appeal is through professional door installation. In Knoxville, where Southern charm meets modern living, the right front door can transform the face of your home, adding both beauty and value. First impression. Start at the door. When people approach your home, the front door is one of the first things they notice. A worn-out, faded, or outdated door can drag down the look of an otherwise beautiful property. Conversely, a stylish, well-installed front door makes your home look polished, inviting, and well cared for. From classic craftsmen to modern minimalist designs, there are endless options that reflect your taste and elevate your home's character. A new door doesn't just update the look, it tells a story about who you are and how you care for your home. More than just aesthetic appeal, curb appeal isn't the only benefit of a new door. A professionally installed door brings with it several functional upgrades that make a noticeable difference in your daily life. Energy efficiency. Knoxville experiences both warm, humid summers and chilly winters. A properly installed door with updated weather stripping and insulation helps maintain indoor temperatures, reducing your reliance on HVAC systems. That means lower energy bills and a more comfortable home. Improved security. Older doors can weaken over time, making them easier to breach. Modern doors are built with stronger materials and locking mechanisms. Professional installation ensures everything fits perfectly, eliminating weak points and giving you peace of mind. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy road or in a loud neighborhood, a solid new door with proper sealing can reduce outside noise significantly, giving you a quieter and more peaceful living space. Why professional installation matters. Some homeowners are tempted to tackle door installation as a DIY project, but doing so often leads to misaligned frames, drafts, and long-term maintenance issues. When you hire a local Knoxville door installation professional, you're not just paying for labor, you're paying for expertise, precision, and the peace of mind that the job is done right. Professionals know how to evaluate your door frame, adjust for uneven surfaces, and secure your door in a way that lasts. They'll also be able to advise you on the best materials, styles, and finishes to match your home's architecture and climate conditions. Choosing the right door for your Knoxville home. When selecting a new door, consider the style of your house, your budget, and your personal preferences. Knoxville homeowners commonly choose from fiberglass doors, known for durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency. They can mimic wood grain without the upkeep. Wood doors. Timeless and elegant, though they require regular maintenance to protect against moisture and wear. Steel doors. Offer superior strength and security, making them a top choice for safety-conscious homeowners. Each material has its pros and cons, but a door installation expert can guide you toward the best option for your home's needs and your personal aesthetic. Add value and enjoy your home more. According to real estate experts, upgrading your front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's value. A beautiful and secure front entryway not only makes your home more enjoyable to live in, but also attracts more interest should you decide to sell. In a vibrant and growing city like Knoxville, keeping your home up to date ensures it remains competitive and desirable in the real estate market. Final thoughts. If you're ready to elevate your home's curb appeal, enhance security, and increase efficiency, professional door installation is a smart investment. With a wide selection of materials and styles to choose from, Knoxville homeowners can find the perfect door to reflect their personality and boost their property's charm. Don't settle for less. Let the professionals handle it and watch your home's first impression go from average to unforgettable.